Hello, I'm Mark Rodehaver, and today we are at 2703 Bailey Court. This home's a little over 6,500 square feet. It is a 5-bedroom, 6-bath with a gym. What I love about this house, it has great access to the outdoors, really close to the school systems. It is in the Park City school system, and the volume, and it's very bright, as you can see. This house has great upgrades. There are 6 heating zones, there's an air purifier, a humidifier, there's also 4-zone audio. The whole house is hardwired for blinds. You'll see the wires hanging from the windows. All bathrooms have heated floors. There's 3 Tesla charging stations in the garage. Hot water is tankless, and it's a lower level walkout.